So in the beginning, ladies, make sure you get ready with your center toned up and you a little bit lean forward so you have a little bit of a pressure with your partner. Then we dance in 2, 3, finish your Rumba walk, finish your hip. You will feel a pressure with your partner. And 4, 1. The most important here is to continue Rumba walk. So a lot of people, when they do this type of swivel, this type of hip twist, they do right away themselves, ladies, right? So no self-service. We are waiting, we're developing our step, and then when the partner signals, we finish it. We go 2, 3, and 4, 1. Again, I'm keep going, keep going, keep going. Whoop! He will switch me. So I'm just finishing my action, contracting my shoulder blade. And swivel. 2, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4. Here, make sure you have 90-degree angle in your knee. You don't have this position. You keep it open, open joint. So guys, it's all dependent on this joint. So if you twist it in, if your butt twisted in, your foot will be twisted in. So open the joint, boom. So it's in here, not really there. So it's because of the joint, your foot cannot turn out. And look my shoulders. So for majority of ladies, when they twist, they think this way. They just turn it around. Not good. So I'm still keeping my shoulder related to my partner. And then swivel. Crab walk, walk. Then I like extended crab walk. So I'm a little bit leveraging on my standing leg and will slide through. And here, slide through. And whoop. Lift my hip. Finish. And here, watch, I'm going on a little bit of balance on my heel. So like this, I can develop really pretty line. But most important, I keep connected my arms. So my arm here, I can show you ladies. Here, I have a gap because I'm keep pushing my shoulder into my back. So if your arm disconnected, it will be normal, very loose. So I'm keep pushing it in towards my spine. So basically, I'm finishing the line, keep connecting my arm, and then using my own standing leg, push myself out there. And walk, walk, hop. And here, what's the most important, ladies? So a lot of times, when they have a partner, ladies think, oh, it's a relaxation I can do on him, like use him a lot. So the best is basically, look at me right now. So I can do this same exact thing pretty much by my own. And of course, with a partner, I feel a little bit. So basically this thing I can do on my own, right? So, and with my partner, I have just a little bit more balanced support, but not 100% support. Like a lot of ladies, they think they're gonna use the partner, then they look very heavy and it feels like it's not easy and light anymore. It feels like, oh, struggle. So to avoid this struggle, you have to practice this. Sorry to I'm taking my time to explain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or just without anybody, stay like this, squeeze your waist and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, you train your core, your abs to lift your knee. So I have a lot of exercises like this, but this one of the best exercises also to develop your core and strength. And when I do this exercise, a lot of people do this mistake. They do this. They help in with the upper body. No upper body involvement, or they do another way. They relax upper body. So my body, this part is still. I squeeze my waist, squeeze my tummy, just a leg. Plus, it trains your balance. So you can do it in the sneakers, so you can do it in the heel. Doesn't matter. It will train your balance. In the beginning, if you feel a lot of challenge, use a little bit kitchen counter or support to do this exercise. But it's going to dramatically change your performance in here. So basically, I'm doing by my own. And I'm coordinating my arm, elbow joint, and my knee joint. So together, ta 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 ta, reach through, forward, reach, 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 reach. Change the leg, change weight, continue, continue. Lift. And here, lifting with my core. Same thing, exactly the same. I'm sliding a little bit through, giving him the arm, developing the leg. Collect feet, very tight as you can, ladies. Pum, 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 pum. Finish. Then we go swivel, 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 finish, done.